We'll guide you through how to make AutoCAD cursor bigger. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Click inside the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. Type Options and press Enter to open the Options dialog box. Alternatively, you can click the Application menu A icon in the upper left corner of the AutoCAD window and select Options to access the same settings. In the Options dialog box, click the Display tab. Locate the crosshair size section within the display settings. Find the crosshair size slider and click and drag it toward the right to increase the size of the cursor. Continue adjusting the slider until the crosshair reaches your preferred size. If necessary, make additional adjustments until you are satisfied with the cursor size and it is comfortable to use while working. After selecting the desired crosshair size, click Apply to save the new setting. Then click OK to close the Options dialog box and return to the drawing area. Move your mouse around the workspace to confirm that the cursor is now larger and easier to see. If the cursor is still too small or too large, repeat the previous steps and adjust the crosshair size slider again until it matches your preference. Once you have finished adjusting the cursor size, continue working in AutoCAD with the larger crosshair. A larger cursor makes it easier to select objects accurately, create drawings with better precision, and navigate the workspace more comfortably. This setting is especially useful when working on large monitors or high-resolution displays, where the default cursor size may be difficult to see.